In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create global sections with Wix Studio. To get started, open your site in the Wix Studio editor. Before you turn anything into a global section, make sure the section is fully built and customized exactly the way you want it on your canvas. This is important because a global section is meant to be reused, so it's best to finalize the layout. Design, spacing, and content first. Taking a moment here can save you time later, especially if you plan to use the same section across multiple pages. Once your section is ready, click directly on it to highlight and select it. You want to be sure the section itself is selected, not just an individual element inside it. After the section is selected, look for the contextual toolbar and click the More Actions icon shown as the 3 dots. From that menu, choose Set as Global, then click Sections. After that, assign a name to the section so it's easy to identify later. It's a good idea to choose a clear descriptive name that helps you recognize its purpose at a glance when you come back to it in your project. Now that the section has been saved as a global section, you can place it anywhere else you need it. Open the page where you want to add that section. Then go to the left-hand side panel of the editor and click the Global Sections icon, which looks like a triangle with circles. This opens your saved Global Sections library, where you'll be able to find the section you just created. Next, hover over the saved global section and select Add to Page. Wix Studio will place that section onto the page for you. At this point, check its placement to make sure it appears in the right part of the layout and fits naturally with the rest of the page content. If the section needs to be repositioned, you can use the Layers panel on the left side of the editor to drag and drop it into the correct visual position. This is especially helpful when your page has multiple sections and you want precise control over the order in which everything appears. And that's it. Thanks for watching.